Hello everyone, so for today's video I am back and I'm going to be filming another study with me for you guys, as I absolutely love these and I know you do too. So for today's video it's actually sponsored by Quizlet, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically a online flashcard tool. So you can use flashcards on your iPad, iPhone or laptop, whatever, and if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know how much I love the app, so to be sponsored by them for today's video is amazing. So I will show you how to use Quizlet a little bit later on in the video, but right now I started off by making a mind map for sociology. I have an assessment coming up on Monday, so I thought I better make a mind map for it. This isn't actually in the assessment, this topic, I found out afterwards, but it's good to always be prepared. So this is on the topic of primary socialization and the nature versus nurture debate. So I was just making a mind map for that. I ended up doing it on 2 different pieces of paper because there is a lot more information at A level compared to GCSE. So you do find that not everything will fit on one page anymore, but that's kind of what I was just doing this morning, and it's just a really useful way for me to revise. Even though I have made my flashcards, it's really helpful just to have a mind map as well. then just went through and highlighted everything. So I used my bright favorite ever yellow highlighter for anything important like information, and then in the pink I used that to highlight the theorist's name or the study, whatever it was. That's just because it separates it from the two. And then I just finished off drawing my arrows and packing that away, and then I moved on to Quizlet. So like I said, Quizlet is a flashcard tool which you can use online, and I use this all the way throughout my GCSEs. It's particularly good for vocab, I would say, if you're doing a language, English for quotes, anything like that. So I was using it here for media, just familiarizing myself with Bath's Enigma codes theory, and then after that I used it for sociology to learn all the key terms so far from my glossary. So I think Quizlet is a really good tool if you've got a lot of information to learn. Here I was using the learn mode option, as that is my favorite, just because it switches it up in activities. So it's really useful. I used this for French particularly last year, and I just found it to be really helpful, and it's a really interactive way to learn as well, which is what I like even more about it. So yeah, here you can see I was doing my sociology, and it would just give me the term and I would type in the definition, or it give me the definition, I type in the term. So you can really customize it to your own learning abilities, and because it is free, it is a tool you should take for granted. Like, it is one of the best apps out there, I would say, for revising. Leave all the information down below if you do want to sign up to Quizlet, as it is, like I said, a really good learning tool. It's perfect for individual use and also in class. So I remember last year we did a lot of Quizlet lives, we joined classes, and it's a really good platform. So definitely go and check Quizlet out after this video. But that is all from me today. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe down below, as I will be doing lots more revision videos for you in the future, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!